Good afternoon, everybody. This is Robbie here at Kris Willis RV, and today we're going to talk about one of the east to west Altas, and this is the LE line. This is a 1600 MRB model number. As we're walking around here, this has the front propane tank. Remember, guys, not to forget to like and follow us on Facebook and YouTube. Has the huge storage with water hookup inside like all of the Altas have. True thick slam baggage door. Stabilizer jacks on all corners. This is a single axle line, so it can actually be pulled with a smaller vehicle. We're walking on around. A must. This particular unit has the black tank flush. This is the Flex Temp on-demand water heater. Walking on around. This particular unit has the outside speakers with the awning. A lot of awning area. We're going to walk on in and talk about it. This particular unit has the sink with a lot of counter space, 2-burner stove, booth, huge refrigerator. Here in the bathroom, it has the walk-in shower, the sink, and all kinds of cabinet space. We're going to let him get in here. Plenty of room to walk by each other. Now here in the living area, this particular unit has the seating with the raise up footrest. Now in a smaller unit like this, this is also the bedding area too, and it has a Murphy bed. Really neat system. Just fold the sofa. It has one pin on the side. Pull the pin. Now you have your bedding area, all the cabinetry or shelving